Hi,
Mom.
Sarah.
What? Mama.
How are you?
Hi.
What are you doing today?
I'm gonna try to play and stuff. I'm gonna color.
Okay.
You want me to color?
Hi, Ben.
Mom, you want me to color?
Who's that over there on the bike?
Why? Garrett.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Look at who poked a hole in here.
Hi, Garrett.
Mom, look at.
Hi, Garrett.
Mom, look at who poked a hole in there.
Hi.
Look at who poked a hole in the pocket, Mom.
Oh, don't put your arm through there. It'll make it bigger.
Mom. I can't.
Sarah, don't put your arm in there.
Trying to get it off. No, Mom.
Go play, Sarah.
I will in a second. But it's not in this thing.
Benjamin? Benjamin, don't bump into him, okay?
No, Mom. Wow. Mom, what's this? Mom, what's this?
Whoa, Sarah.
If you see this,
Hi, Ben.
when I move this out of the way, watch.
Say bye.
Mom, bye.
Hi, Benny. Hi, Garrett. What you doing? Yeah? Bye.
Bye.
Garrett, say bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. These are our puppies. Laverne and Shirley at their best. Hey, Laverne. Wake up, you two lazy bones. Come on, do some tricks. Fetch. Sit. Play. Lay down. Well, we got everybody here now. Adam's here. Adam, say hi. And there's Sarah, the queen bee. Say hi, Sarah.
Hi.
What are you doing there?
I'm cutting.
Good. Then we got Ben. Garrett.
Bye.
You having a good time? We'll see you later, guys. You have a good day. You have a good day. See ya. Bye.
Bye.
Hi, Sarah.
Hi.
Where are you today? You're at Grandma's house? What are you doing here?
I just like popping out Spunky's medicine.
Spunky's medicine. Hi, Ben.
Papa.
There's Papa.
There's Mommy.
Say good morning, Papa. Where are you going today, Papa?
I go to church.
Oh, Benny, is he making fun of you?
And I go wake a widow.
No, but you.
Ben, where are you? Say Papa's house?
Say, I'm right here. What do you think? Say, well, I'm right here.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hi, Grandma.
should I turn that on you?
No way, my hair's looking like a
unfair.
butterfly right
See
now.
what Mom is doing to me? That's
He
unfair.
says cheese.
Oh, look at the spider.
Mommy.
Look at that spider. See
Where?
the spider, Ben?
Where?
Right here.
Well, get him.
Come on.
I ain't gonna kill the little guy.
Oh.
Just coming out of the cold.
Well.
There's the spider. Ben!
Ben, we don't want him. Oops, could be one of those. I got him. Grandma got him. I got him all by myself. It's not like the tarantula at school, is it?
Bye, Mommy.
Bye, Benny. Bye. look who's here.
How you doing?
Well, how are you doing? That's
Well,
the question.
I felt like I dreamed all night.
And? Did you?
Yes. It was just weird.
Justin, did you have any dreams?
He doesn't have dreams. He says he never has dreams, really.
Sarah, did you have dreams? You did?
Being about race.
Well, Dad, see